Yeah, I think it's really important and super important for any client to know their lawyer to some extent. And I think the more they know about their lawyer, the better. The profession has changed over the years. Many years ago, there would be several lawyers in town, or there'd be a town lawyer, and everybody in the community sort of knew that lawyer and went to that lawyer, whether they had an issue that was involved a criminal matter or whether they wanted them to draft a will and do something like that. Times have changed, and most lawyers tend to practice in a particular area of law and specialize in certain things. So if somebody's involved in an accident, they may not know any lawyer that they're close with or they're friends with that actually practice in that area of law. I think it's really important for anybody who's going to engage the service of a lawyer to get to know that lawyer. That's one of the reasons why on my website I put a section that's Get to Know Joe, because I want people to know me. I want them to know a little bit about me personally, as well as what my track record is, what my experience level is, and get a sense of who I am. I think engaging the service of a lawyer and entering that relationship is a very unique relationship. I mean, when you think about it, if you came to me and hired me as your lawyer, you want me to represent your interest as if I'm representing myself. So my creed to you is that I'm going to do the best of my ability. I'm going to represent you zealously. I'm going to do whatever I can, and I'm going to represent your interests as if they're my own. So that's a really unique relationship that you don't find in very many situations. I always offer the opportunity to sit down with them and meet with them one-on-one, and they have an opportunity to interview me and ask me questions. And if they don't feel comfortable with me, then I don't expect them to choose me as their lawyer. But if they do choose me as their lawyer, I take that very serious, and I'm going to fight for them as if I'm representing myself.